Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Affleck, and on this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Today we'll be discussing about suture in the cranial. Now let's talk about this. This is the skull, and we know the bones of the skull is made up of let me say this is neurocranium, and the bones of this neurocranium meets at a point called the suture. At this midline you would find what is known as the vertex, or the highest point of the skull. Now let's look at these. The skull bones are 8 in number. 2 are paired, 2 are the parietal and the temporal. This is the parietal bone and this is the parietal bone. This is temporal bone and this is temporal bone. But for the single ones, we have the frontal, occipital, we have other like sphenoidal and ethmoidal bones. Now let's talk about the landmarks. From this point, this line here, this coronal line here, is demarcating the frontal bone from the parietal bone. Thus it is called the frontal parietal suture. The frontal parietal suture, and the sagittal line here from the frontal is in between the two parietal bone, and then thus they are called the interparietal suture. Now this suture here demarcating the occipital bone from the two parietal is called the lambda suture. And also by the side we have another suture called the parieto-temporal suture, dividing the parietal bone from the temporal bone. I also have another suture called the myopic suture, or the frontal suture. Is always around the two frontal bones coming together to form a suture at the front here. Though it is always present during intrauterine life, but after birth it obliterates. That is that. But when it is present, it is known as myopism. Now let us talk about this sagittal line, where this sagittal line meets the coronal line that is here. This place we call it pregma, why at this point it is known as lambda. And at this point, let's say the pregma point represents the anterior fontanelle, while the lambda represents the posterior fontanelle. That is where the fontanelle are some membranous tissues or cells that are yet to be ossified, so they close, they help to impress the head of the fetus during parturition in order to help the child come out from the birth canal. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, for we will bring you more. Thank you, and may God bless you.